A lot of people quit budgeting fast, not because they lack discipline, because the system they built was designed to fail them. This is personal finance system. Every video gives you one clear system, and today's system is the one-page financial plan. In this video, I'm going to show you a one-page financial plan that actually survives real life. 5 sections, 15 minutes to build, 15 minutes a month to keep up with. And there's one number on this page that most people have never actually calculated. When you see it, you'll understand why your finances haven't moved. Let's start with why most plans fail, because the answer changes everything. Here's a story I hear constantly. Someone feels behind on their money. They find a budgeting template online and spend a whole weekend setting it up. Categories for every type of spending, formulas that auto-calculate percentages, a color coding system that somehow took 45 minutes. First week, they love it. Then life happens. A few transactions don't get logged. The spreadsheet's off. Instead of fixing it, they feel guilty, so they stop opening it. You didn't fail your budget. Your budget failed you. Friction is the gap between knowing what to do and actually doing it. Every extra step adds friction. Every category you have to update adds friction. Eventually, friction wins. A plan too complicated to maintain is just a document you feel bad about. Here's what we're building instead. A plan simple enough that you'll actually come back to it. One that fits your life, not the other way around. At the very top of your page, write down your monthly take-home pay. Not your salary, not your gross before taxes, the number that actually lands in your bank account. Salaried, check your last pay stub. Look for the net amount. Self-employed or variable income, average your last 3 months. For this video, let's say your take-home is $5,000 a month. That number lives at the top of the page. Everything else flows from it. Right below that, list your fixed expenses. Fixed means the same amount every month no matter what. Rent or mortgage, car payment, insurance, subscriptions, minimum debt payments. Don't judge any of it right now. Just write it down. This is your committed money. You've already spent it before the month even starts. In our example, fixed expenses total $2,200. Subtract that from $5,000, you're left with $2,800. That's your real breathing room. That's the money you actually get to make decisions with. Here's where most budgets collapse. People try to track every category separately. Groceries, dining, coffee, entertainment, clothing, gifts. That's not a budget. That's a part-time job. Instead, you're going to use 3 buckets. Bucket 1, food and drink, groceries, restaurants, coffee, all of it. Bucket 2, transport and personal, gas, ride shares, haircuts, pharmacy. Bucket 3, everything else. Give each bucket a number that feels honest, not aspirational, honest. In our example, food and drink, $600, transport and personal, $300, everything else, $400. That's $1,300 total. Subtract that from your $2,800. You've got $1,500 left. That is your savings number, not extra money. The money that's supposed to change your future. Let's put it to work. Here's one of the most common money mistakes I see. People save whatever is left at the end of the month. By the end of the month, there's usually nothing left. Spending fills the space you give it, so we flip it. Savings come before discretionary spending, not at the end, before. Write down your top 3 savings goals. First, an emergency fund. If you don't have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved, this is your number 1 priority. Second, retirement. A 401k, a Roth IRA, or both. Something goes here every month. Third, 1 personal goal, a down payment, a vacation, paying off a credit card. Just 1. Now split your savings number across those 3 goals. You've got $1,500. Here's how you might split it. $700 to the emergency fund, $500 toward retirement, $300 toward your personal goal, $1,500. Every dollar assigned. Nothing disappearing into your checking account, never to be seen again. Now for the section most people skip entirely. It's the one that will change how you actually feel about your money. This is the most important number you're not tracking. Not your income, not your savings rate, your net worth. Assets minus liabilities. What you own minus what you owe. At the bottom of your page, 2 quick columns. Assets on the left, checking, savings, retirement accounts, car value. Liabilities on the right, credit cards, student loans, car loan, mortgage balance. Subtract right from left. That number is your starting point. Not a grade, not a verdict, a starting point. Here's what nobody tells you about net worth. It doesn't have to grow fast to matter. A small, consistent upward movement means the plan is working. That's it. That's all you need. Update this number once a month. Watching it move, even slowly, is the most motivating thing you can do for your finances. Now, the most common mistake people make with this template. They fill it out once, they feel great, they never look at it again. Sound familiar? The fix is almost embarrassingly simple. Schedule a 15-minute money check-in with yourself once a month. First of the month, last Sunday, whatever fits your life, and just make it consistent. 3 things. Update your 5 numbers. Check in on your savings goals. Calculate your new net worth. That's it. No shame spiral. No trying to be perfect. Just 15 minutes of honest check-in. Here's the one thing I want you to take from this. A simple plan you actually use beats a perfect plan you abandon. Every single time. Your finances don't need to be organized down to the last dollar to improve. They just need a system you'll come back to. 5 sections, 1 page, 15 minutes to build, 15 minutes a month to maintain. That's the whole thing. The free 1-page template is linked in the description. Download it, fill in your 5 numbers today, and come back next month to see what moved. And if this helped you, there's a lot more on this channel. Every video is built to help you see the numbers clearly. Quick note, this is general education, not personal financial advice. You always make the final call.